Hi, everyone. Welcome to Bex 21 Day Business Coaching. And I am so glad that you have chosen this course, you've chosen this, coaching medium. This, if you look at this diagram right here, right? What are we going to focus on these 21 days? Because there is just so much. There is a lot of angles, a lot of topics that can be covered under business coaching. However, what I've done is I've tried to put in 21 topics, right? The ones that I really feel are pertinent, right? The ones that I have seen in my coaching or in my business journey, and how my business coach has coached me, and I felt like these were some um topics that really resonated with me, and they kind of shifted my perspective when it came to um you know success, when it came to money, when it came to clients, when it came to growth, right? So if you look at this diagram right now, which is a diagram that I created for you, it kind of summarizes what we are going to do. Okay, so this is day 0. All right, here we're going to talk about our thoughts, why our thoughts are important. I'm going to introduce you to DTB, what that means. Okay. We are going to talk about our body as a vessel to manifestation. Okay. So, what is till now? I'm going to share a separate video on nervous system manifestation with all of you. Okay. So, you can kind of go through it to understand what that is and all of that. Okay. Here, I want you to understand your body as being a conduit for you to get what you want. And when I say get what you want in terms of business, I actually mean money, clients, growth, all of that expansion that you're talking about. We can put all of that under manifestation. All right. When you are stressed, or when you have this negative spiral that we go in, right, in our business, about where is the money, where are the clients, what will happen, all of that, our body actually shuts down and it stops us from manifesting, right? So it's very important for us to keep our body, our nervous system regulated, and that is why we are talking about that, this specific section on nervous system in these 21 days. All right. And obviously, the third aspect here is your business, right? Your business, the entity, right? Your sales, your offers, your clients, all of that, right? Of course, that is an aspect that will be interwoven in every day. How you know we can work on our business separately. All right.